Hey, today I wanted to share some information with you regarding new builds and property taxes. I've had some clients call here in the last few weeks interested in new builds, and they're always wanting to know, well, how does it work out as far as what the property taxes are? Every mortgage company is going to have their own way of calculating what they estimate the taxes to be from a qualifying standpoint. So there's not any one uniform way of doing that. Each company is going to be just a little bit different. But here's the thing that's more important than that. And that is, after you've been in the home about a year, chances are the property still will not be what is referred to as fully assessed. So in other words, when the property taxes are due that first year, they're usually still like on raw land or maybe partial raw land. And so what invariably happens is when you, as the buyer, you've been making your payments, the money's been going into your escrow account, taxes are due, and we've been collecting way more on property taxes than what it's actually going to be due, and that's because it hasn't fully assessed yet. So you'll end up getting a refund oftentimes saying, hey, you've paid too much into your escrow, here's your escrow money back. Which sounds really great at the time because you're thinking, oh wow, this is nice, a big windfall. The problem is the following year, when your property taxes are due, now they'll be collecting at a lesser amount, plus they removed all that money you had sitting in there. And so oftentimes you end up being short on your escrow. And now all of a sudden, the second year into your loan, into your home, you're having to pay extra to get caught up, and they're increasing your payment way more than they would have had to if you simply left that money in there. So my advice oftentimes when you're buying a new build, the first year they do the escrow analysis and they say, hey, we've got way too much money in your escrow because your property taxes are a lot less. Do yourself a favor, take that money and either put it in a separate savings account that you don't touch, or B, send it back and leave it in your escrow. The reason being, when the following year, when those taxes come due, you'll have that money to apply towards it, and then your payment won't adjust up nearly as much, and you'll be thankful for doing it. So listen, I hope this information helps. If you have more questions around buying new builds and property taxes and how it all works, feel free to call me, text me. We're always here to assist you. We look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Bye-bye.